How to remove profile picture on Facebook. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up Facebook. And once you do that, click on the three lines at the top right corner. Then navigate to your profile page. Once you're here, click on your profile picture, and then from the given menu list at the bottom, click on View Profile Picture. Once you do that, click on the three dots at the top right corner of your screen, and from the given list, click on Delete Photo. A confirmation box will appear that asks you, are you sure you want to delete this? Click on Delete to confirm. And by doing that, your profile picture will be deleted and you will get the same thing that I did right here. So that was it for this video. That's how you can remove and delete your profile picture on Facebook. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.